Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna finish it up, but I started before. This is gonna be the second part of the video. Mustang auxiliary input install. Today I'm gonna replace this ugly thing with this. Rip this thing apart. My car is at the moment is in neutral. All you gotta do is unplug your cigarette lighter from its socket. Like that. Just disconnect it. I just disconnect the switch. I'm gonna take the whole thing out. Like this. Take the whole thing out. And solder the new switch to this. Okay, this is an update. So I brought this piece home. So now I had to make a hole somewhere. I'm kind of thinking to go around here, somewhere in this region, like so. I gotta measure maybe 5 times and make a hole. So let's see how it's gonna be. I got a Frankenstein drill, so let's try this. Okay. Look at the fitment, it's pretty good. Next part is gonna be the kind of complicated part. So because we gotta solder these pins in. And I think these outer 2 pins are for the LED. One says positive, one says negative. But other 3 are related to the switch, so I gotta find out which one turns on, which one turns off. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna tint these, what do you call these, pins first, and then we're gonna start soldering stuff. When I press this button, I wanna make sure this light also on. So the way I think is, you put the power this way, positive, and when you press the button, comes out this middle pin right here. So, and at the same time, you have the positive pin right here for the LED. I will bridge these 2 pins together. However, I gotta have another line for negative separate for I think ground. I'm gonna find some kind of screw nut in there. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna ground this section of the pin. Alright guys, so we have this switch all wired in, and the original piece on the other side, and the piece that we just solder for the negative. Okay. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. So I got the ring light. I chose white color. When you press it, it's gonna illuminate white. So let's go to the car and install this thing. So we are back in the car. So let's test this thing out. So I don't have a negative yet, so I'm just gonna put the wire somewhere here to see whether it's gonna work or not. You press the button, light turns on. Hopefully the system turns on too. No more ugliness. Alright guys, everything is ready to go. The wire and the negative, the ground plane is right here, right there. And the iSimple unit is right here, hidden. And all the other electrical connections are here. So let's put this whole unit, everything back together, and yeah, we can see whether it's gonna work or not. It should work. Actually, let's try it right now. So turn it on. Yep, that works. So yeah, everything works. So I'm just gonna clip this one back in, and we are all good to go. The trim piece is back in. So this is how it looks like. Press it to turn back on. Press it to off, and it's on. Works fine. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and that's all for today. I'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye bye.